up back in the big guys on here's him no fucking right now. There he is. Slowly going down there. There he's about to stop it. Get some easy there now. Up and he's gonna stop. Betcha. There's Oklahoma right there. There it is. Stay inside the fence. Obviously, engineer. Sorry, not conductor. Engineer. I'm tired. Clearly. Whatever. He's stopping and waiting now for the conductor. Get on back. Hey guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfan Land. Railfan Land out. What's up? We're back in the big guys. I'm Railfan Land here. See Hamilton, no fucking now. It is on a lot of cars. So I'm gonna keep taking all of them. Keep taking a few. Those off, but we'll see. Rod on that train pretty good. Pretty interesting. You can't be taking all of those cars on, dang. Yep. There's them right there, and there slowly goes right now. There it goes. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Railfan Landing. Railfan Landing out. What's up? We're back in the big guys. I'm Railfan Landing. Here's Hamilton, Northwestern, doing a bunch of switching right now at the co-op, at Keystone Co-op. It says right there, cooperative, or co-op for short. Here we go. Just gonna stop this car. Let however many tankers, I'm assuming. This goes off. Well, that's the all up front, but I don't know. Go in the back. Tankers of Pete all are in the back. Ones they take usually. Maybe not. Sure, stopping short, so maybe they're all up front this time. Cars they needed to take are all up front. He's just dropping off this right there. Setting the handbrake on that car, and then I guess just setting this one off, and he's gonna take the rest tanks, maybe? I don't know. Guess we'll find out. I think he needs, like I said, he probably has all the cars that he needs are up front somewhere. And he just needs to uncouple this car for now. We'll see. lot of air. Holy moly. A lot of air pressure. It's crazy. There to go. I need to do more switching yet. Okay guys, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more videos like this. I'm Rail Fan Landon out. Sup, we're back in another video guys. I'm Rail Fan Landon. Here's Hamilton Northwestern still doing some more switching. Here we go. Doing some switching right here. Here we go. He's moving. Here we go. Sure is an 80 plus degree day. It's not as bad as what tomorrow's gonna be like. Tomorrow's supposed to be 89. Close to 90 degrees tomorrow, so it's like. But oh well. Can't do much about the weather. Right, here's return to train. Here we go. I think it's gonna imagine he sets off with just a few cars, but I think he has a lot to go to be able to get the cars he needs. The cars he needs are the ones in the front, near the front of the train, wherever the engines are right now. Stopping right here. Must be taking quite a few then today. Oh yeah, I forgot to go over here once. There we go. Here he goes. He's gonna hook up to this car and then he's probably gonna take off. So he dropped off, I think, 5 cars, and he's taking with him this car right here and then however many cars he has left. Unless there's more he needs to set off, I don't know. Sure, obviously he's taking this one to Fillmore. He's gonna work Fillmore transloading. After he's done here in Hamilton, he's gonna take however many tankers he has at the end here. I think it's what's left on this train is what he's taking. We'll find out. There he is right now. There he is. Backing up once again. Part 2 starting right now. We're up and line out. Sup, we're back in that video guys. I'm Rail Fan Land. Here's Hamilton Northwestern right now. More switching right there. There he is. He is about to the car. There we go. Get the locomotive just over the trestle. He's probably gonna back up, I bet. We'll find out. Oh, he has this undo the handbrake in that car. I forgot about that. No, he's backing up after done doing the handbrake, I guess. just taking the one tank? That doesn't seem... Oh. Backed up. Is he gonna back up more? Or what is he gonna do? Maybe it's backed up so the conductor can get on board. Then I can start chasing them. We'll see. Stand. I cannot talk today. Stay tuned for the part 3 this time. It's actually part 1 of the chase starting out right from right now.